Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you how to create unlimited Gmail accounts for absolutely free. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So before we start, you need to download this application called Inst.ddr on your application, okay? So it spells INSTADDR, okay? And then after that, just go ahead and go to your Gmail app. And then as you can see here, your profile picture on the upper right corner of your screen. And then click for add another account. And after you've done that, just go ahead and click Google and click continue. And then here you want to click create account and then for myself. After it's done that, just go ahead and put your name, then click next, then here your birthday, then gender, then next. So as you can see here, pick a Gmail address to create your own or create your own Gmail address. So you just want to click that, and once you've done that, you want to go to your Inst.ddr application, and then you want to click create an address automatically and just click yes. Then after that, you want to click copy email address. So you copy that, so you just want to go back to Gmail and paste that text, but you want to remove all of the text after the @ okay? Then click next and then create a strong password. So I'm just gonna create anything, then next, and then here, so phone number, you can skip that part and then click next. And then here you just want to scroll down and click I agree, and then you have your Gmail account. You created your new Gmail account. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.